Hello everyone. We have seen in previous video that how do we configure React.js and what is the installation process? How can we run a React.js project? In this video, we will learn what is this folder structure of React.js. So let's start with this public folder and index.html file. So you can see this is our index.html. You can see. So this is looking a bit complex. So let's remove these comments. After removing these comments, you can see this is our boilerplate of HTML file. And here you can see only one div which have ID is root. Remember this ID, root. Now this is favicon which we have already seen in this. Let's run this program first of all. Npm start. Oh, we have to cd change directory to to-do app. Now npm start. It's loading. See, this is a project. You can see here. This is favicon. This is our image. So you can see here. This is favicon. And where is the image? You can find here. So let's look in. See, here is image, but in code we can't see where is image. So image is basically in app.js folder. See, in 8th line, image. So I know you're confusing that what is this? What is this format? What is this syntax? How app.js is connected to React.js and how we can run app.js instead of index.html. Let's see app.test.js. So this is syntax. So this syntax is called JSX. In React.js, we will use JSX. JSX we will see in later video, so don't worry about it. Let's see this very important file index.js. See here, app. So this is app. Here you can see app. So app is component, which we have already seen in previous video. What is component? So app.js is a component which we can see in this rendering. See here. So app.js is running here. Header. This is header. This is app component. See. So this is image. You can see it's image. This is p tag. This is p tag. And this is anchor tag. And this is anchor tag. See. So this is a first component. Name is app component. And index.js is kind of combining the app component or kind of rendering app component from here. You can see. And see this line. React DOM, which is function to render objects. So see this line. document dot get element by id root. We have seen here root. So basically it fetching this root component and connects with this app component. So this app component is rendering here in index.html here. So if we inspect our website, then you can see this is the root component, means root is parent component, and this is our child component, which is app component. So basically you can see root is a parent component and child component is app.js. So this is a one component and component name is app. So this is app component which is connected here or which is rendered by root.render method, and root is basically this document.get element by root, means root is here. So when we make an component, so every time you make component and you have to render, then in background process new component is appending in this root component. Like we have made app component, so in background this will make this kind of interface, but you don't have to write this here manually. It will automatically append our every component under this parent component. Fine. Index.css. So basically this CSS file which we can see here. So index.css is imported in index.js, and here app.css which is connected to app.js. See, this is logo.svg imported here. This is logo. See, you can see this is logo. Also app.test.js. So this file is not relevant here, so I'm not gonna explain it in this video. We will see in further video. Index.js we have already seen. Logo.svg we have already seen. These two files also not important here. In this video, these two files we don't need. Actually these three files will not use, so kindly select and delete it. So when you delete, you will find an error. See, you can see error is you can't resolve report web vitals in this file. So what happened is when we have deleted when we have deleted web vital file, then we have to delete it from here, this file. See, delete these 3 lines, delete this line, and you will find. See, also we can change here in app component if we want to render something else, like we want to render hello world, still this line. So this is our own component, hello world, or we can make our own component, which we will see in next video. This is git ignore file. Git ignore file is basically uh, not relevant here, but we will see in GitHub or the one second. We will see in Git management or version control system. Now let's see what is this node modules. So node modules containing all the libraries. But what if we delete this node module? See, I'm deleting here node modules. So you can see here node modules folder is deleted. So now I'm saving the file and running. Let's run. You will find error in running this file. See, it will loading continuously. Let's try to rerun it. So let's rerun. See, here you will find this kind of error. So basically all the node modules is connected here. So what if we accidentally delete our node modules folder? So how can we reinstall again? So basically package.json is containing the information and also package.log.json. These two files is containing the information of which modules we will need in this project building. So if we want to install the needed libraries, so just type command or run command npm install. So it will automatically install all the needed libraries. So you can see installation is done. Now let's try to run this program. npm start, and you can see it's loading. See, you're good to go. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.